Hi, my name is Emily, and today we'll be mold making using the vacuum former. To begin, let the machine warm up. When the machine is warm, place your object on the bed and lower it. Place a thermoplastic over the seal and align it before clamping it in place. Pull the heating element over the plastic. The timer will start counting down, heating the plastic to the right temperature. When you hear the beep, the plastic is hot and ready to be formed. Push back the heating element. Turn on the vacuum, raise the bed, and lock it in place. The plastic will form over the object with the help of the vacuum. After the plastic has formed and cooled, it's ready to be removed. Cut the plastic to a more manageable size. We are going to cast into our mold using plaster. Mix the plaster using the island method. Pour the plaster into the mold, be sure to fill in all the corners and details. Tap out all the air bubbles. When the plaster has cured, pop it out of the mold. You're done! Now you can make as many casts as you want.